About 30,000 stakeholders representing the interests of corporations, NGOs, think tanks, public authorities, trade, business or professional associations are based in Brussels. Some of them walk in and out of the EU institutions every day. Their aim? To shape policies that match the needs and realities of citizens, businesses and other organisations in the member states. It's a practice that dates back to the 1830s, when groups representing private interests used to roam the lobbies in the House of Commons in London to put their case to MPs. To answer European citizens' concerns about the independence of EU institutions, a European Transparency Register was created in 2011. This is an online public database where organisations have to register and are invited to declare who they are, who they represent, what they want, and how much they spent on lobbying. Entries must be accurate, complete and up to date, and all those on the register must sign a code of conduct. Every new organisation asking for registration will be checked and can be removed if there's a complaint. As of 2016, over 9,000 stakeholders have registered. In return, they can access the EU institutions' premises to meet civil servants, commissioners and MEPs, and sit on expert panels. The Transparency Register ensures greater scrutiny of lobbying, covering both the lobbyists and the civil servants and MEPs who meet them. If lobbyists do not comply with the specified code of conduct, they lose their access to the EU authorities. So far, while the European Parliament and European Commission use the Transparency Register, the Council acts merely as an observer. Finally, in continuing efforts to increase transparency and openness in the EU policy-making process, the Parliament is calling on the Commission to make the registration of stakeholders mandatory by 2017.
It seems to be coming.